When making cupcakes, it is important to store them properly in order to keep them fresh for 2 days, or even more. Without the right storage, your cupcakes can easily go stale. They can lose their spongy, moist texture and dry out, leaving them lacking their desired consistency. Though regular unfrosted cupcakes can be kept at room temperature, frosted or filled ones should be kept in the fridge. Fortunately, there are multiple ways to keep them fresh. This is ideal if you are wanting to make your cupcakes ahead of time. Bake your cupcakes and allow them to cool. Whenever making your cupcakes, allow the cold ingredients to reach room temperature before adding. This will help ensure that your cupcakes are the right consistency when baked. When baking, use a toothpick to check the doneness of your cupcakes. If the toothpick has crumbs or batters on it when you stick it in, the cupcakes need to cook more. When the toothpick comes out clean, that is when you know they are done baking. After taking your cupcakes out of the oven, you can let them cool in the tin for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you can place them on a wire rack so they can cool completely. The wire rack will allow them to cool evenly from all angles. How to store cupcakes? Once your cupcakes are fully cooled, which will be about an hour, you can store them. Place your unfrosted cupcakes in an airtight container. Keep them at room temperature on the counter for 2 days. Make sure to keep the container out of the sunlight or anywhere that will be exposed to cold or hot temperatures. Though you may be tempted, it is best to not put your unfrosted cupcakes in the fridge. Placing them in the fridge actually speeds up the crystallization in the sugar and flour, which causes them to dry out faster. If you want to save more time, you can also make your frosting ahead of time. Once made, store it in an airtight container in the fridge. On the day you are ready to serve your cupcakes, you can decorate them once they reach room temperature. If you have any leftover frosted cupcakes, you can store them in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. Can you freeze cupcakes? For freezing, allow your cupcakes to completely cool beforehand. This is a vital step, so do not skip it to try to save time. For best results, individually wrap them in plastic wrap, and then place them in a large Ziploc bag. This will help cut back on the chances of freezer burn. However, you can just place them straight in the large Ziploc bag if you prefer. Cupcakes can be frozen for up to 3 months. Once you are ready to serve your cupcakes, allow them to thaw in the fridge overnight, or at room temperature for about 2 hours. Once they have reached room temperature, you can frost them. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.